Possessives. Common uses of possessives. Possessives tell us who things belong to. For example, that's my computer. Those are his shoes. Possessives can also show a relationship. For example, isn't that your cousin? Which one of his friends? The form of possessives. My car. That car is mine. Your house. Is that house yours? His books. Those books are his. Her dog. The dog is hers. Its wings. Our barn. You can use ours. Their relatives. We met some relatives of theirs. My, you, his, her, its, our, and their come before a noun or noun phrase. For example, those are my favorite socks. Their kids play volleyball. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs replace a noun or noun phrase and answer the question, whose? For example, whose socks are those? Mine. Possessive its is written without an apostrophe.